Welcome to the third session of week 8. Today's topic is factual data collection for event evaluation. Introduction. The linchpin in this multifaceted process is factual data collection, transcending mere statistics to weave a narrative of insights, challenges, and growth. This exploration delves into the profound significance of gathering data across various dimensions, offering a nuanced understanding of how each facet contributes to the tapestry of event success. As event organizers navigate the complexities of planning, execution, and post event analysis, the role of factual data becomes pivotal. It's not merely about numbers, it's about deciphering the language of attendee preferences, financial viability, and the effectiveness of promotional endeavors. In this narrative, data emerges as the compass guiding organizers through a landscape where success is measured in the resonance of experiences and the strategic evolution of events. The significance of data-driven reflection extends to the sponsor and stakeholder landscape as well. Sponsors, invested not just monetarily but in the narrative of the event, seek validation and insights into their brand's impact. Factual data becomes the bridge between expectations and outcomes, allowing sponsors to gauge the return on their investment, measure brand visibility, and assess their alignment with the event's goals. Once the foundational questions about the event have been addressed, the subsequent phase involves collecting pertinent data for comprehensive analysis. This process entails gathering factual information from various sources to paint a detailed picture of the event's performance. Data collection encompasses diverse aspects, including sales figures for tickets, merchandise, catering, auctions, and raffles, with attention to the timing of sales. Additionally, metrics such as the number and value of sponsors, effectiveness of promotional materials, incidents or complaints reported, adherence to schedules, exhibitor and retailer count, and financial reports contribute to a holistic understanding. Visitor and participant statistics obtained through exit surveys and ticket data further enrich the dataset for thorough analysis. Monitoring incidents, complaints, or feedback reports contributes to understanding the attendee experience and areas that may require attention in future events. Adherence to schedules, spanning event planning, implementation, and promotional activities is vital for operational efficiency and attendee satisfaction. Examining the participation of exhibitors, retailers, and concessions provides insights into the event's attractiveness to business partners. Financial reports and accounts offer a comprehensive view of the event's economic performance. Visitor and participant statistics obtained through methods like exit surveys and ticket data furnish demographic insights and quantify attendance. This rich data set forms the foundation for a robust analysis, guiding event organizers in making informed decisions for future iterations. You need to understand an elaboration on each of the above points to know where and how to gather the factual data for event evaluation purpose. Sales figures, tickets, merchandise, catering, auction, raffle, etc. Quantifying ticket sales. Understanding the dynamics of ticket sales involves analyzing the volume of tickets sold, identifying peak periods, and evaluating factors influencing purchasing behavior. This data serves as a foundation for assessing event popularity and optimizing pricing strategies. Merchandise sales as brand indicator. Sales of event-related merchandise provide insights into brand appeal and the effectiveness of promotional efforts. Examining the types of merchandise preferred by attendees aids in refining branding strategies for future events. Deciphering catering revenue. Catering figures offer more than just financial insights. They reflect attendee preferences and the success of menu choices. Analyzing catering revenue helps in tailoring food and beverage offerings to enhance overall participant satisfaction. Auction and raffle contributions. Revenue generated through auctions and raffles is a direct measure of participant engagement. Evaluating the success of these elements unveils the effectiveness of fundraising strategies guiding future initiatives. Timing of sales. Identifying peak engagement periods. Analyzing the timing of ticket and merchandise sales unveils patterns of participant engagement. Identifying peak periods provides valuable data for optimizing promotional activities and scheduling key announcements to maximize impact. Strategic timing for promotions. Understanding the temporal dynamics of sales allows for strategic planning of promotional activities. Aligning advertising efforts with periods of heightened audience receptivity enhances promotional effectiveness. Post-event sales analysis. Post-event analysis of sales timing provides insights into the longevity of purchasing behaviors. Examining trends beyond the event date offers a comprehensive perspective, informing organizers about the effectiveness of long-term marketing initiatives and influencing future event planning decisions. Number and value of sponsors. Quantifying sponsorship impact. Beyond the financial aspect, the number and value of sponsors reflect the event's perceived value to external stakeholders. Analyzing this data informs strategies for attracting and retaining sponsors, fostering long-term partnerships. Evaluating sponsor exposure. Assessing the exposure that sponsors receive is crucial. Analyzing how sponsors are featured in promotional materials, event signage, and online platforms helps optimize visibility and ensures sponsors derive value from their investment. Post-event sponsor feedback. Gathering feedback from sponsors post-event provides qualitative insights into their overall satisfaction. Understanding sponsor perspectives enhances the ability to tailor sponsorship packages and deliver mutually beneficial outcomes. Number of flyers, adverts, posters, press releases, and PR, media utilized, etc. Assessing reach through flyers and adverts. The number of distributed flyers and placed adverts serves as a quantitative measure of promotional reach. Analyzing distribution channels and placement effectiveness refines strategies for future promotional material dissemination. Impact of posters and press releases. Evaluating the visibility and impact of event posters and press releases involves assessing their reach and reception. Insights derived from this analysis guide improvements in design, content, and distribution channels. Effective PR strategies. Quantifying PR efforts involves assessing media coverage, social media engagement, and overall event exposure. Analyzing the effectiveness of different PR channels refines future PR strategies for heightened impact. Accidents, complaints, etc. reported. Safety incident quantification. Quantifying reported accidents provides a data-driven approach to assessing event safety. Understanding the types and frequency of incidents informs safety protocols and risk mitigation strategies for subsequent events. Analyzing participant complaints. Participant complaints, when quantified and categorized, offer insights into aspects of the event experience that require improvement. Addressing these concerns enhances participant satisfaction and loyalty. Post-event incident response assessment. Evaluating the response to reported incidents post-event ensures continuous improvement in safety protocols. Learning from past incidents enhances the event organizer's ability to proactively manage risks. Adherence to schedules, event planning, implementation, and promotion. Planning phase schedule adherence. Quantifying adherence to schedules during the planning phase assesses the efficiency of pre-event preparations. Identifying areas where timelines were met or delayed informs future planning strategies. Real-time implementation schedule analysis. During the event, real-time adherence to schedules is crucial for seamless execution. Quantitative analysis of implementation timelines highlights operational efficiency and areas for improvement in future events. Post-event promotion schedule review. Evaluating adherence to post-event promotion schedules measures the effectiveness of marketing efforts after the event. Analyzing promotional activities timing post-event refines strategies for maintaining participant engagement. Number of exhibitors, retailers, concessions. Quantifying vendor presence. The number of exhibitors, retailers, and concessions directly influences the event atmosphere. Quantifying vendor presence and evaluating participant engagement with these entities provides insights for optimizing vendor strategies. Vendor impact on participant experience. Assessing the impact of vendors on participant experience involves analyzing participant interactions, purchases, and overall satisfaction. This data guides decisions on vendor selection and placement for future events. Post-event vendor feedback. Gathering feedback from vendors post-event offers insights into their satisfaction and perceived value. Understanding vendor perspectives informs strategies for vendor relations, contributing to long-term partnerships. Financial reports and accounts. Revenue stream analysis. In-depth financial reports offer a comprehensive view of revenue streams. Quantifying income from ticket sales, sponsorships, and other sources informs financial planning strategies for future events. Expenditure and budget adherence. Analyzing expenditures against budgeted amounts provides insights into financial discipline. Understanding areas of overspending or cost-saving opportunities refines budgeting processes for subsequent events. Profitability assessment. Quantifying overall profitability involves assessing the difference between event revenue and expenses. This data serves as a key indicator of financial success and guides decisions on resource allocation in future events. Visitor and participant statistics, attendance profiles, exit surveys, tickets collected, etc. Attendance metrics. Quantifying attendance involves analyzing the number of participants present at the event. Understanding attendance trends and fluctuations guides decisions on venue capacity, marketing strategies, and overall event scale. Exit surveys for participant profiling. Utilizing exit surveys and ticket data for participant profiling provides insights into demographics, preferences, and overall satisfaction. Tailoring future events to specific participant segments enhances overall attendee experience. Post-event participant engagement analysis. Analyzing participant engagement post-event involves studying post-event interactions, social media mentions, and overall sentiment. This data refines strategies for maintaining engagement and fostering a sense of community between events. In a sense, the thorough examination of each data point within these categories offers a comprehensive understanding of an event's performance. By employing quantitative metrics and analytical tools, event organizers not only assess past success but also pave the way for informed decisions and improvements in future endeavors. Conclusion. Factual data collection, far from being a perfunctory exercise, emerges as the linchpin that binds the past, present, and future of event endeavors. As the final echoes of applause fade, the legacy of an event extends beyond the immediate experiences to the invaluable insights encapsulated in data points. The culmination of an event is, in a sense, the commencement of an analytical expedition. Factual data, meticulously gathered throughout the event's life cycle, serves as a treasure trove of knowledge, awaiting exploration and interpretation. Each statistic, each response, and every financial metric encapsulates a story, a narrative of what worked seamlessly, what sparked enthusiasm, and where the potential for enhancement resides. Beyond the numerical facade lies a narrative that provides context to the event's impact, be it in ticket sales, brand visibility, or sponsor engagement. The richness of this narrative lies not just in the quantitative metrics, but in the qualitative nuances that breathe life into the cold numbers. The post-event phase, intertwined with data-driven reflection, is a crossroad where the past meets the future. It's a juncture where lessons learned become the stepping stones for future endeavors. Factual data is not just a report card, it's a compass that points towards areas of improvement, innovation, and growth. The event organizer, armed with this newfound wisdom, stands on the threshold of evolution, ready to refine strategies, enhance participant experiences, and elevate the overall impact of subsequent events. In this reflective juncture, the role of factual data transcends the immediate event. It becomes a catalyst for industry-wide evolution. Trends discerned from attendee feedback, sales patterns, and promotional efficacy contribute to the collective knowledge pool. What worked for one event becomes a blueprint for others, fostering a collaborative environment where the industry as a whole benefits from shared insights. In summation, the conclusion of an event, intertwined with the analytical prowess of factual data, is a moment of transition and transformation. It signifies not just the end of an event, but the commencement of a journey towards excellence. As the industry embraces the lessons embedded in data points, it paves the way for a future where events are not merely milestones, but dynamic, evolving experiences that leave an enduring imprint on both organizers and participants alike.